What's good, you guys? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so in this video we're gonna do a Q&A. Alright, so I went on Instagram and I asked you guys to go ahead and ask me some questions, and I got a few questions that I'm gonna go ahead and answer. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's get started. Let's go. So the first question we have here is, how many cars do you do solo without any help? Wow, man, that's a great question, right? I would say when I first got started, I was doing anywhere from 1 to 3 vehicles, and that's usually like just basic details. 3 vehicles I could do just basic details. Now when it comes to full interior cleanings and polishing and all this other stuff, then it kind of gets a little bit more, or it gets a little less, because you can only handle so much, right? So I would say two cars average, honestly, would be the answer to that. 3 on a good day, on a good day. All right, with that being said, we have the next question. The next question is, how did you get your first customers, right? So by customers, I'm assuming that you mean someone that's paying you for your services. So when I first got started, the first thing that I did was I reached out to everyone that I know, right? I have a template. If you guys want me to send it to you, or if you want to, if you're interested in it, make sure you follow me at Mendez Auto Detail or Felix Brian. Reach out to me. I'll send you guys a template that I used to get like my first 10 cars, you guys. All I did was reach out to everyone that I knew, presenting myself like, hey, I'm doing this and that. I'm doing car detailing, and it kind of just, spiraled from there. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into it, but I can make a separate video if y'all want to go ahead and see that. Just comment down below. I got you guys. I'll make another video with that. And the next question following that one is, when you first started out, did you use your client's water and electricity? Now, this question I get like literally every day by everybody. This is like the main question right here, right? The answer is yes. And if you're still wondering if we still do, if we have to, yes. But with the current setup that we have built, we also, don't require, their water and stuff like that, because we're self-efficient at this point, where we have the water tank, the generator, everything is already in advance. So it's kind of just like, more of convenience to them. Now, when we first got started and, we didn't have a water tank, we didn't have a generator, we used their water and electricity, right? Now, if you have a problem with, scheduling people out because they don't have water spigots and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make another video about that if you guys are interested in seeing that. That's a great and most frequent question that we do always get asked is, do you use your client's electricity? Do you use your client's water? And the answer is quite simply, yes. Yes, we do. All right, the next question is, what are good starting prices? Now, this all depends on where you live. This all depends on your skills. It depends on way too many different things. Like, I can't give you a straight answer. Let me just tell you what I charge, and maybe you can relate. So I used to charge 50 for cars and 80 for larger vehicles when I first got started. I charged 50 for cars, 80 for SUVs and stuff like that, and that's a part of the text that I sent out. So if you want to see that, like I said, follow me at Mendez Auto Detail, and follow me on my main page as well at Felix Brian, so I can go ahead and send that out to you, bro, because I want to make sure that you use this template to get those first 10 cars, because you're going to build confidence. You're going to want to keep going out there and keep making money, keep making moves, and it's going to motivate you. So definitely check it out. Like I said, I'll link everything down below if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, to basically just answer your question, $50, $80, $100, $200, whatever you think people will pay for your skill sets right now with what you have. Just charge that, because when I was charging those prices, I didn't have the steamer, I didn't have the compressor light. I was like, hey, I'm doing my best, $50, and I'll give you my best, and boom, they were always overly satisfied with the results, because if what I'm saying, like, it's crazy. But just go ahead and follow me, and I'll send you guys a template, because it's gonna make your life a lot easier. So So let's go ahead and get into the next question. So the next question is, as someone just starting their detailing business, do you think I should get clients to come to my house or theirs? I mean, that depends. Like, are you mobile? Because if you're mobile, then when you go out to them, to their homes, that's kind of what we do. We're mobile, so we're always going out to people's houses, apartments, work locations, office locations, wherever it is, because we're mobile, right? Now, it all depends on your business, so I can't really answer that. Like, are you working out your garage? Are you, trying to start a little shop at your garage, at your home? Like, I don't get where you're trying to go, so I can't really answer that. But I would just say, go to their house, if you're mobile, and if you want to build a business that's, super convenient for people, then I would say do that. But it all depends on you and your goals, what you want to do, because I'm sure people don't have a problem with neither or, but it's just better, when people just, stay at their house or they're still at work, and then you just conveniently just detail their car, and you're just you're done and you're gone, and they carry on with their day. It's crazy, but yeah, that's just to answer your question. It all depends on you, your goals, and what you want to do. And the last and final question, you guys, this one is going to be a little bit of a mindset question. So it's how's your mindset now compared to when you first got started, and what is your 5-year plan? Whew, it's a great question right there. So how's your mindset now compared to when you got started? I would say it's a little more like, I gotta think bigger, right? So I feel like that would be the number one thing, right? Like I can always achieve the stuff that I say in my head, but if I always push myself to achieve something much greater, much bigger, much harder to obtain, it's kind of better, just mentally, just always know that you could over achieve and stuff like that. I feel like that's just something that I feel has changed when I first got started, because I used to have small mindset, just small goals, and just oh, let me make $200 today or whatever, just limiting myself. So I guess that would be my answer to that. And then the 5-year plan, that's a great question. I do want to have a shop by a certain amount. I'm not gonna say how many years, but definitely before 5 years, I do want to have a big shop. Not just just a little shop. I want a big shop, legit detail shop. I want to take over Richmond, and if you don't know where Richmond is, it's where I'm at, where I'm from, here in Virginia. So shout out to 804. Yes, sir. But anyways, that's just my 5-year plan right there. Open up a shop, maybe have a few detailing vans, but we'll see, how things go. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe, and like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. Follow me, ask me any questions. Links to all the tools and products will be linked down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.